Draco. Hi, girl.
Your dog is terrified of cats.
Maverick.
One with all Halloween decorations.
Getting Halloween decorations out in front of my guard dog.
I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.